Hello everyone. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you are starting your customer data platform journey, or you're just curious about understanding more about this subject. I was a senior solutions architect at Segment, a leading customer data platform, and I'm going to share with you some of the tips that made some of these implementations that I've followed succeed or fail. The number one tip that I'm going to share with you today is don't track too many events from the very beginning. Less is more, and you would be surprised by how much value can be inferred by one single event. In fact, I wrote an article when I was at Segment explaining how to achieve a completely automated RFM model using one single event. In that case, it was order completed. So I would ask you, what are the 2 or 3 user actions that can help you move your most important business metrics? Signed up, order completed are just 2 examples, but there might be something more applicable to your business. Number 2 tip is start with one single source of data. For example, it could be a website or a mobile application, but it's unlikely that you need both at the same time from the very beginning, of course. And starting with your most important source helps you and your technical team to understand how your CDP works, how to achieve value faster, and at the end of the day, it helps you to be very focused. Number 3 tip for today is don't underestimate your identification strategy. That can drastically affect your costs, affect the availability of functionality downstream, and how you grow your customer data strategy. So for example, as you generate your own identifier for a user, try not to use an incremental number. For technical reasons, it's better to use a UUID. And preferably do not use an email address as their identifier because customers can change their email addresses. So what are you going to do in those scenarios? And number 4 tip today, and the last one, is be consistent with your event naming convention. The object action framework was created by Segment and helps you to achieve that consistency. It's simple and effective, so everyone can follow the same naming convention and help everyone to be included and involved as part of the customer data strategy. Examples of events using and following that convention are button clicked, page viewed, order completed. So really straightforward, everyone understands, it's easy for everyone to follow. So if you're interested in knowing more about Segment or customer data platforms, or generally just about the technology of your startup, feel free to reach out to me on Growth Mentor, and I'll be happy to have a chat with you. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.